Good morning students, this is your English period. Student, today we start second term. So everyone you have to write down the second term course, date 26/10/20 and the quotation on poem 10, Never Give Up. Student, the name of the poem is A Vulture's Guide to Good Manners. Student, you know vulture is a type of bird. In the types of bird we learnt about vulture, that is the scavenger. Vulture clean the environment, okay? So here the poem about the vultures. How to vulture guide to good manners on the table manners, okay? So before reading the poem, student, you should know very well what are the table manners. Here are some pictures. These are the people are not following good table manners. So you should also not doing these type of work on the table, on the dining table. So what are these? Let's start. In the first picture, we should not spread food on the table. Student, while we eating on the dining table, we should not spread food on the table like this boy. See in the picture? Yes, this boy spread the food here and there, okay? So, we should not spread food on the dining table. In the second picture, look, for picking the sauce, the boy, what are the boy doing? So, the second table manner, we should not spill water or anything while eating food. We should not spill water while eating food. And the third one is, student, you also do this. I know very well. So, the third table manner is, we should not use laptop or mobile while eating, okay? Don't play any game when you while eating, okay? Number 4. See in this picture. What is the man doing? Number 4 is, animals should not be fed while eating. Animals should not be fed while eating. Student, when we eating something, we should not be fed animals, okay? Number 5, we should not eat food on the lap. We should not take your food, okay? We should not put your food on the lap, okay? We should not put your food on the lap while eating. And the third and the last rule is, see the picture carefully. The boy spitting the food over his mouth, okay? So do not remove food. Do not remove food from the mouth while eating. Do not remove food from the mouth while eating. Student, first of all, you have to write these sentences in your book. In the next video, means tomorrow, we will continue the poem, okay? Vulture's Guide to Good Manners, okay? I hope you enjoy these manners and do also.